500 grams chicken, cut into pieces. 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste. For rice, 2 cups basmati rice, soaked for 30 minutes, water as needed, salt to taste, whole spices 2 to 3 cloves, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf. For biryani masala, 2 onions, thinly sliced, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, slit, 1/2 cup chopped coriander leaves, cilantro, 1/2 cup chopped mint leaves, 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter or oil, 1/2 teaspoon saffron strands soaked in 2 tablespoons, warm milk optional, fried onions for garnish optional. Instructions: marinate the chicken. In a bowl, mix together yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and salt. Add chicken pieces to the marinade and coat them well. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour in the refrigerator. Prepare the rice. Rinse the soaked basmati rice under running water until the water runs clear. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add salt and whole spices, cloves, cardamom pods, cinnamon stick, bay leaf. Add the rinsed rice and cook until it is 70 to 80% done. The rice should still have a slight bite to it. Drain the rice and set aside. Cook the biryani masala. Heat ghee or oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Add sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn mushy. Add green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, and mint leaves. Sauté for a minute. Add marinated chicken along with the marinade. Cook until the chicken is tender and cooked through. If needed, you can add a little water to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Layering the biryani. In a large heavy-bottomed pot or pan, spread half of the cooked rice evenly at the bottom. Spread the cooked chicken masala over the rice layer. Top it with the remaining rice, spreading it evenly. Drizzle saffron milk over the rice, optional. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and cook on very low heat. You can place a tava or griddle under the pot to diffuse heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld together and the rice to fully cook. Serve. Once done, gently fluff the biryani with a fork. Garnish with fried onions, chopped coriander leaves, and mint leaves. Serve hot with ready yogurt-based side dish or Ceylon spicy curry. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken biryani.